Thank you so much. I welcome you to DTC Official once again. As I earlier told you, we are right here at Ghana Robotics Competition organized by Firefly IO. And I'm here with the very amazing Professor Effah Kaufman, doing amazing in our engineer space. And I want to ask her a few questions about robotics and the future of Ghana regarding these engineering things. I want to know, from today, we see kids doing amazing stuff with their robotics thing. And this is actually my first time witnessing a robotics competition. It was just fascinating. Please, what does this mean for the future of digitalization in Ghana? If you look at all these things, is it promising?
This is a very important thing because you know the 21st century skills that we expect young people to have. Critical thinking, problem solving, creativity, collaboration. These are all skills that you can get by competing in a program like this. The robotics competitions give them challenges, problems that they have to solve in interesting ways. In this particular case, we are using locally made robots, and they are required to do some designs to modify the foundation of the robots that they are using. And so it also brings out the creativity. In order to compete, they must work in teams. That brings out the collaboration. Yes. So by participating in such extracurricular activities, they gain those 21st century skills which will require to solve the complex problems of tomorrow.
Wow, that's amazing. Yes. I didn't just capture all these in that angle where I was viewing from, but to look at it from that angle, is it not enough that I can see little kids, but are we doing enough in terms of our curriculum, educational curriculum in the county to equip our upcoming generation?
Yes, the curriculum is being modified. NACA has been working very hard. There are modifications in the curriculum that we are now beginning to see, right? So the curriculum is being modified, but please, my interest is more than the classroom education. Education does not only take place in the classroom. If we rely only on what is happening in the classroom, we will never get our young people to acquire the necessary skills to be really relevant in society. It takes what happens at home, what happens in school, the extracurricular activities like these ones, and the interactions they have in our communities to fully educate a young person.
All right, so this is my last one. Something that was amazing to know that the deaf group won the Tech League championship.
They have a team. You see, when you see two contestants here, there's support behind them. They all train in a team. But of course, the ones that they were expecting to come and compete were the ones that for religious reasons could not come. But they were still members of the team.
Oh, okay.
So they may not have been prepared as much as their original team members for the competition, but do you think it's fair to assume that somebody can just come off the street and then do the kind of technical competition that you saw here? So they have done some practice, maybe not as much as they should have, but yes, they were practicing.
Thank you so much, Mommy. I'll leave you to go on about your day. It's a wonderful moment
been a long day.
You. And I can see you are tired. Please do have a very good night and have a wonderful rest.
Thank you.